dive into the captivating world of stone art and explore the endless creative possibilities it offers. Stone, with its timeless beauty and enduring nature, has long been a source of inspiration for artists and designers, and the ways in which it can be transformed into stunning works of art are truly limitless. One of the most captivating aspects of stone art is the sheer diversity of techniques and approaches that artists can employ. From classic sculpting and carving to more modern, conceptual installations, the versatility of this medium allows for a wide range of creative expressions. Consider the ancient art of stone carving, where skilled artisans meticulously chisel away at blocks of marble, granite, or soapstone to reveal the hidden forms and contours within. This process requires immense patience, precision, and a deep understanding of the stone's inherent properties and characteristics. The final sculptures can range from realistic figurative works to more abstract, geometric compositions, each one a testament to the artist's technical mastery and creative vision. But stone art isn't limited to just traditional sculpting techniques. In the realm of contemporary art, we've seen a surge of innovative approaches that push the boundaries of what's possible with this medium. Some artists might employ stone as the foundation for large-scale, site-specific installations, using the natural environment as a canvas to create immersive, experiential works that seamlessly integrate with their surroundings. Imagine a sprawling installation where towering stone monoliths are strategically placed to create a sense of reverence and wonder, their weathered surfaces reflecting the changing light and casting mesmerizing shadows throughout the space. These grand, monumental works can evoke a deep, primal connection to the earth and the passage of time, inviting viewers to slow down, contemplate, and immerse themselves in the profound beauty of the natural world. On a smaller scale, artists might explore the more intimate, tactile qualities of stone, creating intricate, jewelry-like pieces or delicate, ethereal wall hangings. The use of stone in these applications can imbue the work with a sense of preciousness and purity, highlighting the inherent elegance and timelessness of the material. One particularly captivating example might be the creation of stone mobiles, where carefully balanced and suspended stone elements dance and sway, creating a mesmerizing interplay of light, shadow, and movement. These kinetic sculptures can transform a space, infusing it with a sense of tranquility and wonder as the stones gently shift and interact with their environment. But the creative possibilities with stone art don't stop there. Artisans might also incorporate stone into functional, everyday objects, transforming them into stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces. Imagine a beautifully carved stone sink or a sleek, minimalist stone table, where the natural beauty and inherent strength of the material are celebrated and elevated. Beyond the realm of fine art and home decor, stone can also be used to create captivating public art installations that engage and inspire communities. Monumental stone sculptures or intricate, carved relief panels can be commissioned for parks, plazas, or even building facades, serving as stunning focal points that invite exploration and contemplation. The beauty of working with stone lies in its timeless, enduring nature and the way it can be transformed to reflect the unique vision and creative expression of the artist. Whether it's through the painstaking process of traditional sculpting, the bold, conceptual installations of contemporary art, or the seamless integration of stone into everyday objects, the possibilities for stone art are truly limitless. By embracing the natural elegance and resilience of this ancient material, artists and designers can create works that captivate the senses, evoke a sense of wonder, and forge a deeper connection between the human experience and the natural world. So, let your imagination soar as you explore the boundless creative potential of stone art. Simple yet elegant decor ideas, the perfect way to infuse your living space with refined charm and timeless beauty. By focusing on clean lines, natural materials, and thoughtful minimalism, you can create a serene and visually compelling environment that exudes a sense of tranquility and sophistication. One of the hallmarks of simple, elegant decor is the strategic use of natural elements. Think about incorporating smooth, polished stone, warm wooden accents, or even delicate glass or ceramic pieces to anchor your design scheme. These organic materials possess an inherent elegance that can instantly elevate a space, lending it a sense of effortless sophistication. For example, consider a minimalist side table or console crafted from smooth, gently weathered driftwood. The raw, natural beauty of the wood, with its unique grains and textures, can serve as a captivating focal point, requiring little additional decoration. Pair it with a single, artfully placed vase or a few carefully curated decorative objects, and you've created a vignette that exudes a refined, pared-back aesthetic. Another way to achieve simple, elegant decor is through the thoughtful arrangement of clean-line furniture and accessories. Opt for pieces with streamlined silhouettes and a muted color palette, such as a low-profile sofa in a neutral tone or a sleek, minimalist armchair. By allowing the forms and materials to take center stage, you can create a sense of balance and visual harmony throughout the space. Complementing these furnishings, consider incorporating subtle, understated decorative elements that add visual interest without overwhelming the overall design. A few well-placed throw pillows in a soft, natural linen or a delicate, handcrafted ceramic sculpture can add a touch of elegance and personality without cluttering the space. Lighting also plays a crucial role in crafting a simple, elegant aesthetic. Incorporate fixtures with clean, geometric lines or organic, sculptural forms that cast a warm, diffused glow throughout the room. Strategically placed floor lamps or wall sconces can help to define specific areas and create a sense of ambience, while minimalist pendant lights or chandeliers can serve as captivating architectural elements. To further enhance the sense of simplicity and refinement, pay close attention to the color palette and textures you employ. Opt for a muted, neutral-based color scheme, think soft grays, beiges, or even shades of white, and pair these with natural materials like linen, wool, or stone to create a cohesive, harmonious look. Finally, don't underestimate the power of negative space and thoughtful curation. By allowing ample breathing room around your furnishings and decor, you can create a sense of elegance and visual balance. Resist the urge to overfill a space, and instead, focus on selecting a few key pieces that truly speak to your personal style and aesthetic. Remember, the beauty of simple, elegant decor lies in its ability to create a serene, harmonious environment that invites relaxation and contemplation. By embracing the power of minimalism, natural materials, and considered design, you can transform your living space into a true oasis of refined, timeless charm. Thanks for watching.